Hi guys, I've been walking all day and it's been a very long one. And because of the sun that's been out the past week, the weeds are all out. So I've been weeding most of the polytunnel. So what I want to show you guys today is the spinach. I left them and they've grown very big, but because of the heat the past week, it's beginning to turn to seed. So I'm going to harvest everything, and this is the case where I'll be digging everything uprooting everything out from the ground. And it's not a fail. It's what we wanted. The expectation was once the tomatoes and peppers are ready, we want to reclaim this bed back by taking out the spinach. I'm still going to sow a few more, but I think for now we've got a good harvest. I'll bring you guys close so you see how large this spinach is, and also you see the seed heads that's forming in the middle, which would carry on if I leave them, turn into flowers, and those flowers would hold the seeds for what would happen, the next season, the next cycle of spinach growing. So I'll bring you guys close and I'll pull out most of this. See how large the spinach is. I think this is a good harvest. I'm going to pull out all those very big ones. There are a few small ones that I'm not taking out now. I'll leave them another week or two. Let me show you. So that's one that's small. I'm going to leave it another week or two. Let's see how it goes. That one, maybe a week. But most of them are this big, quite large. So I'm going to pull them off and probably look to plant one or two tomatoes into those spots. So this is how easy it is. I'm just going to go down because, again, I can't leave these ones because they're already going to seed, So that's it. I'll just take it from the bottom and take all of this out. So I've gotten one out and I'll carry on with the rest. So that's the seed head forming there. And that's it on this one too. I'll bring it out so you have a good look. That's it forming over there. Okay. So the reason why I'm taking it off, and it's because the weather became very, very warm the last week. The daytime temperature went very high, but at night it went very low to around 2 degrees. That's when we get frosts. The morning or the night we get the frosts. The day before that, what we get is very clear skies. Hardly any cloud on those days. In the afternoon, the morning, clear days. Okay. So rather than wasting this space waiting for the tomatoes and chilies to be ready, we did use it wisely and we decided to plant spinach in there. The tomatoes and the chilies are almost ready now, and see what we got in terms of the spinach. No fancy way of sowing, no sowing in a tray and transferring it. I just broadcast the seed here. Some germinated, some didn't, and I know some are just slow. They will germinate at some point. I still have a few smaller ones that are going to grow big, maybe not as big as this, but it's a good harvest. I bet you agree. It's a good harvest. So yeah, I'm proud of this and I'm happy. At least I won't buy one bag of spinach the next week or so. So a good one. And this is one easy way of sowing and harvesting spinach. Catch you some other time. Bye bye.